Uh-oh. Amy's calling me and I'm not ready.
Hey.
What's going on?
You was ready?
Girl, yeah, at this point, I'm really just putting my shoes on. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today is date night with me and my well, I think it's gonna be date night. She told me if I'm not ready by the time she get home, we ain't going nowhere because she tired of my shit. And it's 8:16. She gets off at 9, but she probably won't be home till like 9:30. So I have a little bit over an hour. So I am going to take you through everything. I'm going to do my hair, my makeup. You'll see my outfit, see us go on a date, all of that good stuff. Today is a clip-ins kind of day. I am going to be using clip-ins from Mhot Hair. You guys have seen me use their clip-ins before, but this time I got some color in my life. Look at this. Do you see this? Amy better scream when she gets home because I'm just so fine and she can't take it. No, but for real though, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I usually, when I do clip-ins, I wash my hair beforehand. And I got in the shower and just decided that I'm just not in the mood to wash my hair. So I didn't wash it. So we're going to pray that these clip-ins still look good on my non-washed hair. What we're really going for is minimum effort and maximum results. Like, I really want to do the least, but I want to look like the most. You feel me? So basically, all I did was spray this Silk Express Miracle Leave-In in my hair, and then I just re-blow dried it. My hair needs to be washed, my ends need to be cut, all kind of shit, but we're gonna ignore that today, and we're just gonna do clip-ins, and we're gonna go on a date, and we're gonna be happy. So please, for the next few minutes, enjoy this doing my hair therapy. I usually like to talk to y'all while I'm doing my hair, but because Amy is kind of rushing me, I'm gonna do my hair and then we'll revisit later on in the video. Also, this flat iron is probably way too high of a heat to be on my real hair, but I mean, you only live once. Ooh, child. I could tell my hair needs to be washed because it's like when I flat iron that one piece, it was kind of just like kind of greasy. It wasn't like silky. Oh, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. Please keep the faith in the comments. text me asking me, can I put her clothes in the dryer? When she rushing me and telling me that I need to be ready at a certain time. Now you added stuff to my to-do list. Maybe it'll be easier if I just flat iron my hair first and then put the rest of the clip-ins in. I don't know why, but whenever I wear my hair like in a middle part, I absolutely love my hair like bone straight. But whenever I have a side part and my hair is bone straight, I feel bald headed. So I am going to curl this a little bit. I just really pray that putting these rollers in does something, because at this point they only gonna be in for like 30 minutes. Uh-oh, Amy's calling me and I'm not ready. Hi, love of my life.
Hey.
What's going on?
Almost ready?
Girl, yeah, at this point I'm really just putting my shoes on.
Put your shoes on?
Yeah.
Really? What outfit did you decide to go with?
What outfit?
Yeah, can I just see?
No, it's something real special for you. You gotta see it in person.
Just give me a little teaser.
A little teaser?
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Well, I'll see you shortly.
I'll see you shortly. Love you. Y'all, Amy is on the way home, so we have to hurry up. I'm gonna get some like LED type of lights in here for y'all so that my quality can start being bomb in these videos in my bathroom. I mean, it's not the camera, it's actually the lighting in my bathroom. The lighting in my bathroom freaking sucks.